In more local news, anglers hitting the ice for the Linwood Frozen Frenzy. It's a tournament that's all about landing a whopper. But as TV5's Cody Kuczynski reports, the people organizing the event have bigger fish to fry.
Most of us want to see a low number when we step on the scale. But for fishermen and women in the 5th annual Frozen Frenzy tournament, the higher, the better.
So we came up with this tournament to get everybody in the community involved and across the state, really. I mean, we have people from Ohio that are involved as well. So this is a great turnout this year as well.
The Linwood Park Board hosts the fishing tournament for a whole month. Contests include biggest walleye and perch, a mystery weight, and even a raffle. Derek Sass from Pinconning brought an impressive walleye into Frank's Great Outdoors weigh station.
A little over 10 pounds, one of the bigger ones I've got out of the bay ever. Pretty happy with it. Hopefully it stays on the board.
While competing for the biggest catch is fun, Sass says he chose this tournament because all proceeds go back to the Bicentennial Park and a kids fishing program.
Oh, I think it's awesome. I get it every year. Yeah. So it's a good time. It's real good for the kids.
Their hope is that the community's passion for fishing allows them to do more in the years to come.
We also look forward, going forward in the future, to fund some more programs and more maybe stock and walleye, whatever we can do to help the community, help the bay, help people get out there and fish.
In Linwood, Cody Kuczynski, WNEM TV5.
Last year's winner was an almost 14-pound walleye. The event ends March 2nd.